Hello, welcome to your tropical outlook for Thursday, August 20th, 2026. There are two areas that are threatening land right now, and I want to go deep dives on both of them today. That's all I'm covering, but both of them are kind of worrying. First of all, we have a tropical depression 1C to the southeast of Hawaii. Guess what? That's where Lala over here was almost exactly a week ago at this point. This storm is expected to pass just to the south, but we could see even more rain to Hawaii, and the same areas that got impacted last time will get impacted again. Just the further south you are on Hawaiian Islands, the more likely you are to get the impacts. It is most likely going to stay a tropical storm, though a potential low-end Cat 1 is a possibility. Our satellite imagery on 1C looking pretty defined on the western side, but the eastern side still has a lot of dry air in training, and there's going to be a lot of dry air for the rest of its path, which is one of the reasons it's not expected to really intensify. But there's going to be a lot of tropical moisture with it. Running out the model for you, you can see the storm is developing. The storm is developing just to the southeast of Hawaii. It is expected to move just passing to the south, but all the moisture and training behind it is going to get pumped up right into the big island again, and the eastern side could get a lot of rain. This particular model shows a total accumulated precip of around 6 inches, but if you look at the Euro, it's a little bit more. And if you look at the GFS, it's a little bit less. So something 5 to 10 range, we could see up to 15 inches. Also, in the Western Pacific, we have a couple areas that are rotating out there right now. We have an area just to the north. We have a couple areas just offshore China. Both are expected to move in. But our main concern is Tropical Storm Saudel, which is right now directly east of the Northern Mariana Islands and is expected to pass right into the uninhabited Northern Mariana Islands. At least mostly uninhabited. And then it is expected to race off to the west, and then there's some high uncertainty of where this could pass next. This particular run shows it stalling off and moving to the west. If it stalls, it is more likely to miss the front and head off to the west. Right now, literally all the models are showing a westward path. The only model that hasn't been showing this is the Google Weather Lab. You can see instead, there is a split where it could pass off to the north. It could take some sort of middle ground, which is less likely, or I could slow down significantly and move west into maybe Taiwan or China. Maybe areas impacted by dolphin could get impacted yet again. The overall intensity forecast is still for Category 4, but it could still be a Category 5 as well. Taking a look at our Google DeepMind Weather Lab for 2C, we have it passing just well to the south. This is a actually good trend, as we had a couple models yesterday that brought it right up into Hawaii, European especially. We're still watching decreasing certainty of a system in the Atlantic and an explosion of tropical systems out here. There is actually one area that actually really shows up to me that is very interesting. This area to the southwest of Hawaii. Could this be a Central Pacific monster? We'll just have to wait and see. And could it impact Hawaii right now? Probably not. But we'll also have to see. Again, thanks for watching. That's all. I'll see you tomorrow.